I have more respect for the people cooking hamburgers and French fries than I do for the lawyers of the corporation.
Happy holidays. Merry Christmas to you all. Corporate lawyers lie. Years ago, I was fixing restaurants for corporations, and I broke my foot at work. I was laid up for 6 weeks, and the company didn't want to pay me. So I hired an attorney. About a year later, my attorney and I were meeting with the corporate attorney. And the corporate attorney said, "You claim that you couldn't work for 6 weeks." I said, "Yes, that's right. My podiatrist said that if I was to stand on my foot, that I would lose some of the bones, and that he wasn't even going to prescribe pain medication because he didn't want me ever walking. He wanted me down." Yeah, so that's what I did. The corporate attorney said, "But you did work. We've got proof that you worked." And I said, "Oh, really?" My attorney looked at me as if I was lying. And I said, "Well, let's see your proof." And the corporate attorney laid out on the table time cards, my time cards. And he said, "See, there's time cards for the 6 weeks that you worked." I looked at those time cards, and I immediately saw something that was terribly wrong with the 6 time cards. Now, he had all of my time cards laid out there, not just those 6. So the comparison was pretty easy. I kept looking at the time cards, and my attorney was looking at me like, "You lying dog." But of course I wasn't lying. Then I looked up at the corporate attorney and I said, "What's company policy for getting paid from a time card?" He looked at me with a blank stare and said, "I don't know." And I said, "The company policy is that the time card must be signed. And how come every time card is signed except for those 6? He lowered his head a little bit, said, "Okay, your check will be in the mail." And then we left. And my attorney said to me, "I'm glad you saw that." I looked at him like, "Yeah, I am too." I had to share my settlement with my attorney, and I wonder why. Corporate attorneys lying? Yeah. Falsifying evidence? Yeah. Defamation of character? Yeah. All for a few bucks. So that's why I won't work there. I won't eat there. And why I don't trust it. Happy holidays. MacGyver, I love you. William, Brian, Lex, Sydney, MacGyver, Merry Christmas to you all. I love all of you.